In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Bluetooth headphones to PlayStation 4 not supported. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a set of Bluetooth headphones and you want to use them on a PlayStation 4, you will need to use an adapter. This is because, as of today, all PlayStation 4 models do not support Bluetooth audio devices. So for this, like I said, you will need to purchase an adapter to set up your Bluetooth headphones. So you can find these adapters in all sorts of places. I recommend purchasing this one from Ugreen, but you can find alternative cheaper models that will do the exact same function. Just look for adapters that have a high amount of reviews and they mention PlayStation 4 on the title. So look for a Bluetooth adapter for PlayStation 4. As you can see, you can plug this into the console and it is going to wirelessly connect to your headphones. And it is compatible with various different devices, including a PlayStation 4. So after you purchase any of these Bluetooth dongles, you plug them into the available USB ports on your console. In the case of the PlayStation 4, it should be here in the front. And if you want to use a microphone, you can also plug this into your controller. So this one is going to be for the microphone. If you don't plan on using the microphone, you don't actually need to connect this one. Only the USB one is very important. Now press the physical button at the back of this adapter. This will enable pairing mode on the actual receiver or the adapter. Now do the same for your set of headphones. Usually by powering them on, they should immediately go into pairing mode, but if yours has a specific combination of buttons that needs to be executed, consult the manual. And as long as you press the physical button at the back of the dongle or the adapter and your headphones are also in pairing mode, they should automatically connect between themselves. Just put them in close proximity and you don't need to do any sort of manual input. Now, if you go into the audio devices on your PlayStation 4, under output devices, you will be able to find the headset that you connected over Bluetooth. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Bluetooth headphones to PlayStation 4 not supported. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.